We're getting ready to perform Life is Like a Double Cheeseburger. So we had several days after school where we had kids come in and we just read scripts. We wanted to do something that could include a lot of people and that had just some things that everybody could relate to. So we picked this show. It has some funny scenes, it has some just plain sad scenes, and we have about 30 some people in the cast, and there are just scenes that everybody's going to be able to relate to a little bit.
I really like this production because it allows our junior high kids to get a little more feel of the stage, while in a bigger production they would get a minor role.
I like this show because it's given me opportunities to have a bigger role as an underclassman.
The show runs about an hour and a half in that neighborhood. We're performing tonight, Thursday at 7 o'clock, tomorrow, Friday night at 7 o'clock. Tickets are $5 and it's well worth your time. Come and enjoy some scenes about life.